Hey guys, David here and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, in today's video, XRP will flip Bitcoin. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, right now, can you ever feel the tension in the air when it comes to this space? Bitcoin just popped back over that 101, 102,000 range, and you got a lot of TA guys calling for XRP to absolutely start to fire off, hitting above its previous all-time highs. But not only that, guys, there is a lot of speculation that market cap for XRP could literally take the king of the hill. Just check this article out right over here. Expert says, believe it or not, XRP will flip Bitcoin. XRP price target if this happens. Now, guys, I know it seems hard to believe for a lot of folks that XRP could literally take over Bitcoin for market cap, but I'm going to show you at the end of this article something that I think is really going to convince you. Just listen, first of all, to this right here. Prominent cryptocurrency influencer Aminex stirred heated discussion on X, and of course, the interwebs are going crazy with what's going on in this digital asset space, of course, formerly Twitter, after posting a bold prediction regarding XRP, declaring, believe it or not, I'm absolutely serious, XRP will flip Bitcoin. Mark my words, see you soon. Well, that is a bold statement, but guys, it's one that I absolutely believe. And why is that? Because we have seen it happen before. If you think that XRP cannot flip Bitcoin for market cap, then guys, you need to check out what happened in 2017, 2018. Just take a look at this. Now, this was brought up by Crypto Asset Guys in a tweet that he did. And he said, in a recent tweet, crypto enthusiasts known as Crypto Asset Guys sparked conversation among, of course, cryptocurrency community regarding XRP's market position in 2018. And listen to what he says. Captioned in the tweet is an image showing a snapshot of the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization from that year. The accompanying text reads, XRP back in 2018. This could happen again. You have been warned, which appears to caution followers about the potential for Ripple to once again rise to dominance. Well, guys, there it is right there. The market cap for Ripple or XRP, at the time, which they were calling Ripple, and synonymous with, Ripple the company, but it was always XRP. Anyway, 238 billion, forgive me for that right there. 278,543,061 bucks, and the price at the time was $2.38. Well, look where Bitcoin was at 214 billion. XRP's market cap was beating it literally, guys, by 20 billion, $24 billion. And you want to see where Ethereum was back then? At 68 billion. Guys, we have been there before. I believe absolutely XRP could do that again. And in fact, it's not going to take as much as what most people think. And to continue on with this article, listen to this right here. The post that he made there sparked a flurry of reactions from the crypto community. Now, Dominic McCurry, a follower on X, inquired, and you would put the price where? Another user, Juan, provided a speculative calculation stating around a 10x to get to the same market cap that Bitcoin is right now, so about $24 at the moment. Well, guys, look, do you not think here we are sitting at what, $2.40 some cents, and to get us to literally a $10 plus price target, it's only literally from this point where are we at? It's a 5x, a 10x. I think XRP has enough steam to get a 10x out of this major bull run for sure. Now, adding to the debate, Mr. OZB Trades, OZBA Trades. I mean, come on, some of these names, some of these handles in this crypto system are really amazing. But anyway, things will be interesting when Japan liquidity comes in, something to be thinking about. This comment aligns with ongoing reports that Japanese financial institutions, of course, are on the verge of integrating XRP into their payment systems, potentially increasing its adoption and the liquidity in the region. And we know, guys, this is absolutely on track to happening. Now, recent reports highlight that Japanese banks are preparing to adopt XRP as part of a new remittance system. The proposal involves utilizing XRP Ledger, of course, and Ripple's interledger protocol to streamline those cross-border payments. And we see SBI doing that right now. Now, SBI is one of Japan's biggest banks, and their subsidiary SBI Remit uses XRP and on-demand liquidity for those cross-border payments into the billions of dollars a day. Now, according to the report, the interledger protocol will enable Japanese banks to continue with international financial institutions while facilitating domestic interbank transactions. So basically what you're looking at is a domestic FedNow kind of system, but working off of the XRP ledger. Right now, our own Federal Reserve uses FedNow using distributed ledger technology. It's not XRP, but that's what is going to be going on in Japan. Now, that innovation is expected, of course, to reduce reliance on traditional corresponding banking systems using XRP as a bridge currency. The remittance system aims to simplify the transfer of value without needing multiple currency conversions, a feature that could significantly reduce costs and increase efficiency. Analysts believe this development could be a significant catalyst for XRP price and adoption. Now, according to the image shared by Animix, XRP is valued at approximately $242 when he posted it, with a market capitalization of $138.87 billion. In comparison, Bitcoin holds the top spot with a market capitalization right now of $1.91 trillion, and Ethereum ranks second at $414 billion. For XRP to surpass Bitcoin in market capitalization, its price needs to rise approximately tenfold up to that $24 range, as pointed out by Juan, a prominent community member. Now, the feasibility of such a rise depends on several factors, of course, including adoption, financial, and on and on. Guys, we've seen it happen. I was there to watch XRP literally explode in that last bull run where it did what? A 12x return from 17.48 cents to over $1.97. That is a 1,200% return. So guys, for it to do a 10x, I think it's absolutely possible. And we could literally see XRP at the king of the hill, just like it was back there in 2018. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, guys, check this article out right over here. XRP eyes rally to new all-time high after 40% spike in open interest. Just listen to this right here. XRP open interest surged by 40% just in the last 24 hours. Buying pressure across exchanges and investment products helped XRP to maintain a bullish outlook. XRP could be on the verge of a massive breakout after testing the resistance of a bullish pennant. Now, XRP was trading at that $2.40 on Monday, following a 40% surge in its futures open interest. Now, the surge could help remittance-based token overcome key resistance, which a lot of TA guys are absolutely expecting, and literally could play out by the end of this week. That's how fast I've been reading some of them on that. Now, XRP futures open interest witnessed a spike on Monday, rising that 40% from 1.09 billion XRP to 1.53 billion. Open interest is the total number of unsettled contracts in a derivatives market. Now, the recent spike in open interest amid flat prices indicates the inflow of new liquidity to fuel XRP's bullish bias, especially with Donald Trump's upcoming inauguration on January 20th. And remember this, Brad Garlinghouse, I think Ripple donated something. I think Brad Garlinghouse reported Ripple had donated $5 million worth of XRP to President Trump's inauguration on the 20th. Guys, don't you consider that, XRP is on their radar? And boy, is it ever getting bullish. In fact, in Canada, Pierre Trudeau just announced his resignation, and you got Pierre Poilievre, a very pro-crypto guy, coming in to possibly take over the prime minister's spot in Canada. So when you think about North America as a whole and the bullish sentiment that they have towards this digital asset space, guys, I think it is going to go crazy right after in this next phase, this first quarter of 2025. Truly amazing. Now listen to this article right over here. As Don and the title, Brad Garlinghouse applauds Trump effect as Ripple gains ground in U.S. deals. Just listen to this here. As Donald Trump prepares to take office, many expect his presidency to drive growth in the crypto market. Well, of course we do. Paul Atkins is coming in to take over Gary Gensler's spot, who has been absolutely anti-crypto like crazy. You got a House and a Senate, all that are going to be pushing through this crypto. You got the administration pushing it through. It is going to be something else. Now, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, for one, announced that the company achieved significant progress in late 2024. In fact, the entity has signed more U.S. deals in the final 6 weeks of the year than in the previous 6 months, owing to Donald Trump's victory in November as U.S. presidential election. Now, think about this, guys. Where were your XRP portfolios prior to the election? I mean, we were tinkering around there between 50, 40, and 50 some cents. In fact, just a few weeks before the election, it had dropped all the way down to 38 cents. On election day, we were at 52 cents. We're at, what, $2.40 right now since the election? And do you think it's going to really stop there when you see all of this pro-crypto administration stuff going on and the regulatory clarity piece that's coming? Guys, I think it's going to be absolutely bananas what to expect coming forward. And certainly do I believe when I see stuff like this, and you're looking at all of this, and, with the SEC lawsuit getting resolved, all of the stuff that's going on with the new administration, when you're watching rallies happen like that, I mean, that is massive. From 1.09 billion XRP to 1.53 billion XRP just in 24 hours, a 40% increase in open interest. Guys, do you think that's retail? It's not. Come on. You're watching institutions gobble it up like crazy. And when you witness and you remember what happened back in 2018, what have a lot of these technical analysts been telling us? This current market, what we've been seeing in the market lately is mirroring what happened in 2017 to 2018. And XRP from January 4th of 2018 went from 0.006 to January 24th, 2017 to January 4th, 2018 at $3.84. That is absolutely phenomenal. Guys, the amount of appreciation that we could potentially see could boggle people's minds. I genuinely believe it. So when you get these kind of statements and you have people coming out saying, hey, XRP will flip Bitcoin, guys, it could absolutely happen. And I cannot wait. I'll tell you what, boy, oh boy, all of these guys that were just budding XRP like insane for all the many months, all the way through, oh, well, it's going to get deemed a security, didn't happen. Oh, SEC is going to win the interlocutory appeal, that didn't happen. Oh, well, they're going to go after Brad and Chris and get them. Nope, that didn't happen. Oh, it's a $2 billion fine. Nope, that didn't happen. $125 million. Oh, the SEC is going to appeal XRP's status as security. Nope, none of that happened. Guys, don't listen to the FUD. Don't just tinker around with all the day-to-day stuff. Get out there and really research it and find out what's really going on, because I'll tell you what, do I ever believe this is going to represent probably the greatest wealth transfer that happened in the history of mankind? I have said that so many times. I genuinely believe it. And boy, oh boy, do we ever got our ticket. We are buckled in and we're ready to ride this rocket, as I say, straight through the atmosphere, way past the moon and all the way through Jupiter. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video. And as always, it's not financial advice. It's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section. And I'll catch you in the next one.